The Matrix and Us, Reality or Illusion? Introduction to The Matrix. The Matrix, a groundbreaking science fiction film released in 1999, has profoundly influenced popular culture and philosophical discourse. Its depiction of a simulated reality where humans live in a computer-generated world while their physical bodies are harvested for energy raises fundamental questions about the nature of reality, consciousness, and free will. This exploration delves into the philosophical implications of the Matrix, examining whether our reality could be an illusion and what it means for our understanding of existence. The nature of reality. The central premise of The Matrix challenges our perception of reality. In the film, what people perceive as the real world is, in fact, a sophisticated simulation created by intelligent machines. This concept echoes philosophical ideas dating back to antiquity, particularly the works of Plato and Descartes. Plato's allegory of the cave. Plato's allegory of the cave, presented in The Republic, describes prisoners chained in a cave, only able to see shadows cast on a wall by objects behind them. These shadows represent their entire reality. When a prisoner is freed and discovers the outside world, he realizes the shadows were mere illusions. Similarly, The Matrix suggests that our perceived reality might be just shadows, and there could be a more profound, hidden truth. Descartes' evil demon. René Descartes, in his Meditations on First Philosophy, hypothesized the existence of an evil demon, a powerful and deceptive being that could manipulate his perceptions and thoughts, making him believe in a false reality. Descartes used this scenario to question the certainty of knowledge derived from sensory experience, concluding that the only indubitable truth is the existence of the self. I think, therefore I am. The Matrix draws heavily on this idea, presenting a scenario where humans are deceived by an artificial intelligence. Consciousness and free will. The Matrix also raises questions about consciousness and free will. If our experiences are simulated, what does it mean for our sense of self and autonomy? Simulated consciousness. One of the film's philosophical implications is the nature of consciousness in a simulated environment. If our brains were connected to a matrix-like system, could our subjective experiences still be considered genuine? This question touches on the mind-body problem and the nature of consciousness. Philosophers such as David Chalmers have argued that even in a simulated reality, our conscious experiences would be real, as they are produced by our brain's interactions with the simulation. Free will in a deterministic system. The Matrix suggests that, within the simulated world, humans possess a form of free will, even though their environment is controlled. This paradox highlights the debate between determinism and free will. If our choices are influenced or predetermined by an external system, can we still be said to have free will? The film's protagonist, Neo, represents the struggle for autonomy within a deterministic framework, ultimately suggesting that awareness of the Matrix enables true freedom. Technological implications. The Matrix also serves as a cautionary tale about the potential dangers of advanced technology, particularly artificial intelligence and virtual reality. Artificial intelligence and control. The film portrays a dystopian future where artificial intelligence has gained control over humanity, using advanced simulations to keep humans subdued. This scenario raises concerns about the unchecked development of AI and the ethical implications of creating intelligent systems capable of manipulating or dominating humans. As AI technology continues to advance, it is crucial to consider the potential consequences and establish safeguards to prevent misuse. Virtual reality and perception. The rise of virtual reality, VR technology, brings us closer to creating immersive, matrix-like environments. While current VR systems are far from the sophistication depicted in the film, the rapid pace of technological progress suggests that highly realistic simulations could become possible. This possibility prompts ethical and philosophical questions about the use of VR, its impact on our perception of reality, and the potential for addiction or escapism. The simulation hypothesis. The Matrix has popularized the simulation hypothesis, the idea that our reality might be a computer-generated simulation. This hypothesis, proposed by philosopher Nick Bostrom, argues that if advanced civilizations have the capability to create realistic simulations of their ancestors, And if they create many such simulations, it is statistically likely that we are living in one of these simulations rather than the base reality. Arguments for the simulation hypothesis. Bostrom's argument is based on probabilistic reasoning. Given the rapid advancement of computing power and the potential for future civilizations to run ancestor simulations, the number of simulated realities could vastly outnumber the original physical reality. Thus, the chances of our existence being a simulation are high. Criticisms and counter-arguments. Critics of the simulation hypothesis argue that it relies on speculative assumptions about the capabilities and intentions of future civilizations. Additionally, some philosophers question whether the hypothesis is empirically testable or falsifiable, making it more of a philosophical conjecture than a scientific theory. Despite these criticisms, the hypothesis remains a compelling and thought-provoking idea that challenges our understanding of reality. Conclusion. The Matrix and the philosophical questions it raises about reality, consciousness, and technology continue to captivate and challenge us. By exploring these themes, we gain a deeper understanding of our own existence and the potential future of humanity. Whether or not we live in a simulated reality, the film encourages us to question our assumptions, seek truth, and consider the ethical implications of technological advancement. In doing so, we not only enrich our philosophical discourse, but also prepare ourselves for the profound changes that may lie ahead in our quest to understand the nature of reality.